Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Ketoleno. In the run-up to roll out the first phase of COVID-19 vaccine from 16th of this month, Nagaland has successfully conducted dry run for COVID-19 vaccination in 31 session sites across all districts. Informing this in a weekly COVID-19 bulletin, the Health and Family Welfare Department said that altogether 19,690 health workers have been registered for vaccination in the first phase in the state. The department, however, cautioned that as vaccines come nearer to the general population, COVID-19 appropriate behaviors need to be reinforced again and there is no room for complacency. Nagaland currently has a total of 11,975 confirmed COVID-19 cases. President Ramnath Kovind has said that the recent success of Indian scientists and technicians in developing 2 COVID vaccines is a major achievement for the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, which is driven by the spirit of global well-being. The president said India's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat has 5 key pillars of economy, infrastructure, demography, democracy and supply chains. He added that the idea of Atmanirbhar Bharat does not mean seeking self-centered arrangement or turning the country inward, but is about self-belief leading to self-sufficiency. President Kovind was delivering the valedictory address of Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention 2021. Even as there has been no fresh fire and smoke sighted in the Zuku range of Kohima district, the Nagaland government has decided to continue with the Bambi bucket ground operations to completely extinguish the fire and also assess the situation today. This was informed by Deputy Commissioner and Chairman of District Disaster Management Authority Muhammad Ali Shihab during yesterday's review meeting of the Zuku fire incident. It was informed that no fresh fire or fresh smokes were visible, while a very low intense smoke was seen which was doused by Bambi bucket operation. Meanwhile, DFO Kohima Rajkumar M informed that the ground operations would continue even today while the IAF choppers are on standby. Union Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment Ramdas Athawale on Saturday appealed to farmers to call off their agitation as the farm laws are meant for protecting their interest. Addressing a media conference in Hyderabad after holding a review meeting, he assured that the government fully sympathizes with the concerns of farmers. Athawale expressed hope that their ensuing meeting of farmers with Agriculture Minister may resolve the issue. He said the farm laws will protect minimum support price and farmers' land rights. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu has said that legislators should think how to overcome the challenges of future. Addressing Legislators' Day event in Goa yesterday, Naidu said democracy is the best form of governance. On this day in 1964, first session of Goa Assembly was held after liberation in 1961, and to mark this day, Legislators' Day is celebrated on 9th January. The Vice President added that legislators should have character, capacity, commitment, communication, caliber, and connect with people for effective functioning of democracy. He cautioned that dominance of caste, community, cash, and criminals is harmful to democracy. The Chagesang Wrestling Association (CWA) is all set to hold a consultative meeting on promotion of Naga wrestling on 14th of this month at the Auditorium Hall of Mount Sinai Higher Secondary School, Ministers Hill, Kohima at 10:30 a.m. A release issued by CWA General Secretary Gajovesa Soho said that the consultative meeting is aimed to obtain the mandate of the people for the introduction of various new features in the level of CWA and to provide a platform to the young wrestlers to be professionals and reach out to the national and international arena. And as the nation fights COVID-19 pandemic, let us all remember to stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps: wear a face mask, wash hands frequently with soap and water or use hand sanitizer, and follow social distancing norms. With that, we come to the end of morning news. Have a nice day.